Good morning, students. Now we were doing verbs active and passive, right? This is lesson number 8 that we are doing, right? And we had reached up to models, how we use models in a passive form that we were doing. So now let us study that in active form, may, might, invite. That is the use of model with the verb, right? In passive form it becomes may, might, be invited. So in जो verb होता है उसका past participle form आपको use करना है. One can't move the mountains, that is an active voice. Mountains can't be moved, that is passive. So write these examples again, how to use models. Then the noise could be heard far away. Could be heard far away. The books should have been placed on their proper shelves. I didn't get your letter. It might have been delivered to a wrong address. Okay. Now let us move on to exercise 17. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs given in the brackets. So you have to use the passive form of verbs which are given in the brackets. Number 1, traffic rules should be dash strictly obeyed. So traffic rules should be strictly obeyed. Now should already दिया हुआ है तो आपको should use करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. Traffic rules should be strictly obeyed. Then success cannot dash without hard work. Achieve cannot be achieved without hard work. Be use करना पड़ेगा. Be form use करना पड़ेगा उसका. Right? So here see. Okay. The news may have dash by now telecast. Have been telecast. Right? Have दिया है आप. Been telecast आपको use करना पड़ेगा. टेलीकास्टेड भी बोलते हैं या टेलीकास्ट भी सही है, राइट? ईडी नहीं लगाओगे तो भी इट कैन बी यूज्ड इन अ पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म. यू आर अटैचिंग बी हियर, बीन हियर. प्रोमिसेस ऑट टू बी डैश कीप का केप्ट हो जाएगा, ऑट टू बी केप्ट. ऑनेस्ट टैक्स पेयर्स शुड डैश suitably रिवॉर्ड, शुड बी suitably rewarded. This mistake could have dash if you had been a little careful. Avoid have been avoided. Then your problems cannot dash in a single day. Solve, that is cannot be solved in a single day. If you continue making so much noise, the baby might dash disturb, be disturbed, baby might be disturbed, right? So this is the way you have to use the models in passive form. Now exercise 18, being the monitor of your class, you have been asked to give suggestions to improve the classroom atmosphere. Give your suggestions using different models: should, ought to, must in the passive voice. For example, the walls should be repainted. They have not given any hints here, so we will just omit this exercise because there is no point in giving self suggestions. Okay, now let us move on to imperatives. Imperative क्या होता है? That हम जानते हैं कि जिसमें सब्जेक्ट आपको स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया जाता है जिस इंस्ट्रक्शन में, इट इज़ अंडरस्टूड कि वो आपको बोला गया है. सो यू इज़ द सब्जेक्ट, यू योर सेल्फ, राइट? सो हियर एक्टिव वॉइस में डू इट इज़ द इम्परेटिव. देन इन पैसिव let it be done or it should be done. आप इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हो, it should be done, it may, it has to be done, it ought to be done, it must be done, right? The choice of the model depends upon speaker and the situation. Depends upon the speaker. जितना important है, जितना strictly आपको बोलना है तो उस हिसाब से आप model choose कर सकते हो. Don't tell him anything. This is an active. Let him not be told anything. This is in passive. He shouldn't be told anything. This is also passive, right? This is more usable form. ये वाला form ज़्यादा use नहीं होता है. Let no child of the class be neglected. Every child of the class should be properly looked after. Let no efforts be spared. Then now notes, imperatives can be expressed, underline this, imperatives can be expressed in passive in another form also. Please keep quiet. You are requested to keep quiet, right? This is a passive form. You are requested to keep quiet. Lock the door at night. You are advised to lock the door at night. Leave the room. You are ordered to leave the room. Now sentences beginning with let. Let your son manage the factory. Let the factory be managed by your son. This is in passive voice, right? This is active. So write down at least 2 examples so that you understand. You are ordered to leave the room. Yeah, this is okay. This one example and this one example, write down as per the point. Then sentences beginning with let your son manage the factory. Let the factory be managed by your son. Let your secretary type this letter. Let the letter be typed by your secretary, right? So this, you should do it. Write down at least one example here. Now let us move on to the exercise. मोर इंस्ट्रक्टिव फॉर्म में इम्परेटिव्स यूज होते हैं. जब आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन देती है मैडम कुछ भी, तो इट इज़ इन दिस फॉर्म, राइट. सो इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने के लिए इम्परेटिव फॉर्म यूज होता है पैसिव के लिए, राइट. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज 19, राइट दीज सेंटेंसेज इन पैसिव फॉर्म. नंबर 1, read the instructions carefully, right. So what you will say in that, the instructions should be read carefully, or you are advised to read the instructions carefully, because you is implied here. You imperative है, imperative sentence है, इसलिए you subject है, आपको बोला गया है, right. So आप ऐसा सीधा बोल सकते हो, you are advised to read the instructions carefully. I am narrating the sentences here in the video. Please write down from that. Half of the sentences is there in here given only, right. So you don't have to search out any spellings for anything. तो मैं इधर जो बोल रही हूँ वो अपने आप लिखो, राइट. आंसर की तो मैं शेयर करूँगी. फॉर दिस लेसन आई एम शेयरिंग द आंसर कीज, बट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट लेसन ऑनवर्ड्स आई वोंट बी शेयरिंग आंसर कीज फॉर सच थिंग्स. एवरी एक्सरसाइज आई वोंट बी शेयरिंग. थोड़ा सा जो मैं सॉल्व करवाती हूँ वीडियो के अंदर, उस हिसाब से आप लिखना स्टार्ट करो अभी, right. I am speaking out the answers here in the video. Listening to the video, you can write down the answers in your notebook. और ये आपको लिखना पड़ेगा in notebook. You have to write this exercise because you cannot write it over here. The entire sentence is changing. Okay, now again I will repeat. Read the instructions carefully. इसका क्या करोगे? You are advised to read the instructions carefully because you is the subject here. Invite all the members to the meeting. All the members should be invited to the meeting, right. That is the answer. All the members should be invited to the meeting. Now keep to the left of the road. You are advised, or you are required भी बोल सकते हो. You are advised to keep to the left of the road, right. You are advised because it's an advice. So you can say that you are advised to keep to the left of the road. Express all these distances in kilometers. So what you will say? All these distances should be expressed in kilometers, right. Then expressed हो जाएगा, word form change हो जाएगा. All these distances should be expressed in kilometers. Express को ed लगाना है, हमको past participle form use करना है, right. यहाँ पे invite का invited हो जाएगा. All the members should be invited to the meeting, right. You are advised, advised हम लोग use कर रहे हैं advised, तो उसको ed लगाना है. You are advised to keep to the left of the road, right. You are advised to keep to the left of the road. Then all these distances should be expressed in kilometers. Then record the temperature on both the thermometers. You are supposed to record the temperature on both the thermometers. या फिर let भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. let की यूज़ करोगे तो सेंटेंस ऐसे बना सकते हैं. let the temperatures be recorded on both the thermometers, right. if you use let, then you can use make the sentence like this. Then further, sixth one, let the nurse give the injection. So what you will say? Let the injection be given by the nurse. Let the injection be given by the nurse. Then give the patient 2 tablets every 3 hours. So what you will do? The patient should be given 2 tablets every 3 hours, right. Then next one, transfer the contents of this packet to an airtight jar. Transfer the contents of this packet to an airtight jar. So let the contents of this packet be transferred to an airtight jar. Yeah, you should transfer the contents of this. You are advised to transfer the contents of this packet to an airtight jar, right. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो, वो भी सही है. Now get out of my house. Ninth one, get out of my house. You are ordered. You are placing an order, right. Here आप किसी को order दे रहे हो, right. So what you will say? Subject तो यहाँ पे you है, सामने वाला आदमी. जिसको आप ऑर्डर दे रहे हो, गेट आउट ऑफ माई हाउस, तो आप इसका कैसे बनाओगे पैसिव फॉर्म? यू आर ऑर्डर्ड टू गेट आउट ऑफ माई हाउस, राइट? You are ordered to get out of my house. Then number 10, clear all these bills in time. So you are requested, it is a request or it is an advice भी बोल सकते हो, right? You are requested to clear all the bills in time, या all these bills in time. These दिया है तो these ही use करो. Don't give the dog anything to eat. The dog should not be given anything to eat. Right? The dog should not be given anything to eat. Number 12, let the house captain inform all the teachers. Let all the teachers be informed by the house captain. या फिर ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, the house captain should, the teachers should be informed by the house captains. Right? Yeah, let the teachers be informed by the house captain. Right? That is also correct. ओके नाउ सो यहाँ पे 2 या 3 टाइप के आप सेंटेंसेस इसमें बना सकते हो पैसिव फॉर्म में, राइट? नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू एक्सरसाइज 20. व्हाट इज इट? एक्सरसाइज 20, राइट द फॉलोइंग पैसेज यूजिंग द पैसिव फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब्स इन द ब्रैकेट्स. यूज शुड बी प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, जो हमने यहाँ पे किया, शुड बी प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ओके. इफ यू प्ले विथ फायरवर्क्स केयरफुली, you can have a very safe and happy Diwali, right? Never dash light fireworks indoors. Never dash light fireworks indoors. तो इसका क्या बनाओगे आप? Fireworks should never be lighted indoors, right? So light का क्या करोगे आप? Fireworks should never be lighted. Should never be lighted. I will share the answer key so it is clear to you. Lighted indoors, right? Sorry, इधर change करना है ये. Dash, light them on an open ground away from motor vehicles. Light them on an open ground away from vehicles. तो इसका क्या बनाओगे आप? They should be lighted on an open ground away from motor vehicles. They should be lighted away. They should be lighted on an open ground away from motor vehicles. Then read the safety instructions on all the packets carefully. So the safety instructions, जो subject है उसको पहले लेना है. The safety instructions on all the packets should be read carefully, right? Should be read carefully. Then further, in case they are missing, use common sense. In case if the safety instructions are missing, use your common sense. So how will you make this sentence? In case they are missing, common sense should be used. In case if they are missing, common sense should be used. Then keep the sparklers away from the body. Sparklers मतलब जो तारामंडल आप फोड़ते हो वो sparklers, right? So उसका कैसे बनाओगे? The sparklers should be kept away from the body. Point the rocket straight up, right? Point the rocket straight up. Straight रखना चाहिए, नहीं तो किसी के घर में घुस जाएगा, right? अभी दिवाली आएगी तो ये सब सेफ्टी इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको फॉलो करने ही है, right? So point का क्या करेंगे आप? How will you make this sentence? The rockets should be pointed straight up. The rockets should be pointed straight up. Once a cracker is lit, don't touch it. Once a cracker is lit, don't touch it. How will you make it? Once a cracker is lit, it should not be touched. It should not be touched. Don't का हो जाएगा, should not be touched, right? Then don't wear clothes made of synthetic stuff. You should never wear clothes of synthetic stuff because that easily catches fire, right? We have learned this in synthetic fibers and this thing in our science class. So this is very important that you don't wear synthetic clothes. So don't wear clothes made up of synthetic stuff. That you will make. Clothes made up of synthetic stuff should not be worn. Wear का हो जाएगा worn, W-R-N, worn, right? Clothes made up of synthetic stuff should not be worn. Control the temptation to show off. शो ऑफ करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. द टेम्पटेशन टू शो ऑफ शुड बी कंट्रोल्ड, राइट. ऑलवेज कीप अ बकेट ऑफ वाटर हैंडी, हमेशा बकेट ऑफ वाटर रखना चाहिए कि कहीं पे भी कुछ ज़्यादा जलेगा तो तुरंत पानी आप डाल सकते हो, राइट. सो अ बकेट ऑफ वाटर शुड ऑलवेज बी केप्ट हैंडी. अ बकेट ऑफ वाटर शुड ऑलवेज बी केप्ट इसका हो जाएगा बी केप्ट हैंडी, राइट. फॉर्म ऑफ द सेंटेंस चेंजेस. द सेंटेंस ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है, सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है, सो यू हैव टू चेंज द फॉर्म ऑफ द सेंटेंस. सो I will be sharing the answer key. You can tally your answers in that. But just listen to my speech here, what I have narrated the answers over here. So you can find the answers easily. The infinitive. Active, to invite. Passive, to be invited, right? I want you to leave me alone. This is active. I want to be left alone. This is in passive. A 5-star hotel is to be constructed at this site. The notice is to be pasted on the door, right? The notice is to be pasted on the door. Now exercise 21. Fill in the blanks with infinitives. में क्या use होता है? Infinitives are those verbs which are हमने पढ़ा starting में, right? They need support. So supporting verbs to be ये सब add करना पड़ता है उनके साथ में. Fill in the blanks with passive infinitives. Take verbs from the box. Box में से दिया है. Verbs चुनने हैं आपको. Example दिया है. The medicine is dash thrice a day. The medicine is to be taken thrice a day. Take का taken कर दिया, right? Then further, I want tea dash around 6 a.m. So what you will, which verb you will choose? Serve choose कर सकते हो, right? I want the tea to be served around 6:30 a.m. To be served, right? So we choose served. Okay, served. We had no operators. The bill had dash manually, right? Had prepare लेते हैं हम, तो had to be prepared. The bills had to be prepared manually. Okay. Then the meeting is going dash at my house. Hold. Meeting is to be hold. Hold का हो जाएगा held. The meeting is going to be held at my house. The income tax return is dash by the end of this month. File. Had. The income tax return is to be filed. Sorry, had नहीं आएगा. Is to be filed by the end of this month. The number 5. This water is dash first. Filter. The water is to be filtered first, right? Okay. Now exercise 22. You take your car to the garage for being serviced. These are the jobs you want them to do, right? ये सब आपको काम कराने हैं. Tell the garage in charge what is to be done. Use passive infinitives. Make sentences like this. Now I am just narrating the answers here. You have to listen to this video and write the answers, right? Change spark plugs. तो इसका सेंटेंस कैसे बनाओगे? द स्पार्क प्लग्स आर टू बी चेंज्ड, राइट. देन नेक्स्ट वन, नंबर 2, चेक द ब्रेक्स. द ब्रेक्स आर टू बी चेक्ड. आप वो गैरेज वाले को बोल रहे हो क्या क्या काम करना है गाड़ी में, राइट. सो हाउ विल यू चेक? हाउ विल यू टेल देम? हैड टू बी चेक्ड. द ब्रेक्स आर टू बी चेक्ड. देन check engine oil. The engine oil is to be checked. Then number 4, install new front tires. New front tires are to be installed. The adjust carburetor, right? उसका क्या बोलोगे carburetor का? The carburetor is to be adjusted. Check wheel balancing. The wheel balancing is to be checked, right? So I have told all the answers here in the video. Listen to them and write them on your own. This is your homework. I won't share the answer key for this. Okay. Now this we have already read. Later in the evening, you ring up the garage to find out if your car has been properly serviced. Ask him questions like this. Have the spark plugs been changed? अब आपको have से question शुरू करने हैं. Same चीज़ों के लिए जिसने आप जिसके आपने सेंटेंसेस बनाए उसके आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं। तो कैसे पूछोगे, हैव द स्पार्क प्लग्स बीन चेंज्ड, ये पहला वाला हुआ, राइट। तो अभी दूसरा के क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछोगे, चेक द ब्रेक्स, तो उसका पूछोगे हैव द ब्रेक्स बीन चेक्ड, राइट, हैव द ब्रेक्स बीन चेक्ड। देन चेक द इंजन ऑयल, इंजन ऑयल का क्या पूछोगे, हैज द इंजन ऑयल बीन चेक्ड, राइट। देन इंस्टॉल न्यू फ्रंट टायर्स, have the new front tires been installed. Then adjust carburetor, has the carburetor been adjusted. Then check wheel balancing, has the wheel balancing been checked, right, been checked आएगा। और लास्ट में आपको सारे सेंटेंसेस में इसमें क्वेश्चन मार्क करना है, राइट। सो वी हैव फिनिश्ड दिस एक्सरसाइज 22 हियर। इट इज सेड, ही इज सेड टू, ये वाला पोर्शन हम लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे and we'll finish off the lesson. It is one page only left out too, right? So write down all the exercise and points as I have described in the video. Write down here the examples. इसका आपको सारे आंसर्स लिखना, क्वेश्चन लिखना है तो लिखना अपने रेफरेंस के लिए, या टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है, यू कैन ऑलवेज चेक द आंसर्स, राइट। हियर ऑल्सो राइट डाउन द आंसर पैसेज in your notebook. Do not waste time in writing the question and then the answer. The question is already there. Once you write, if for your reference you can write the page number 73, exercise 20, that way you can write it in your notebook, so it becomes very clear. जब आपको रेफर करना है तो आप टेक्स्ट बुक लेके साथ में बैठोगे तो पता चल जाएगा किसका आंसर की है, राइट। सो वी स्टॉप हियर टुडे, नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट टाइम।